Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best pot for cooking is Utopia Kitchen Non-Stick Multi-Purpose Pot Set. A professional grade 2-piece saucepan set to prepare scrumptious meals every time. The set is built using top quality aluminum alloy so that it can produce the finest of results over an extended period, hence making your mealtimes better. Whether it's boiling pasta, making sauces, preparing meat or reheating leftovers, these saucepans will serve you perfectly. These aluminum alloy saucepans are the cornerstone of every kitchen. The premium cookware is built using high-quality aluminum alloy which enables even and efficient heat distribution. This heavy and durable saucepans are non-reactive, keeping the flavors natural and tasty. It is perfect for frying, searing, and browning foods. Designed with high, straight sides and a smaller surface area, these saucepans hold heat well and limit evaporation. Hand wash the pans with hot soapy water and dry them using a soft cotton or linen towel. Use a plastic or wooden utensil to keep the non-stick coating in great shape. Number 2 in our side is Green Life Non-Stick Saucepan Pot Set. Green Life's healthy ceramic non-stick coating is free of PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium and great performance as traditional non-stick, just without the nasties. Featuring a stay cool handle, the vibrant soft grip collection is designed to make easy cooking even easier. Our ceramic nonstick is not stuck in the past. Our coating starts with sand to give you effortless nonstick performance without the chemicals. Free of PFAs, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. The pans themselves are made of recycled aluminum, so your kids' can cook easy. Soft grips Bakelite handles make for cozy and comfortable cooking. Take your cooking from the stovetop to the oven with soft grips ready for anything design. Soft Grip has a rivetless interior to make cleanup simple. When things get really messy, though, it's easy to toss it in the dishwasher. These pots and pans are made from recycled aluminum and reinforced with wobble-free bases for extra strength and even heating. Designed to perform perfectly on gas and electric stovetops. Third in our best pot for cooking list is Imusa Charcoal Stockpot. Imusa stockpots are versatile and durable for large batch cooking. Use your stock pots for soups, stews, stocks, beans, lentils, sauces, and pastas. The glass lid allows you to monitor your food while cooking while the handles and knobs stay cool. Make delicious large family meals without any of the food sticking. The high-quality non-stick interior coating makes cleaning easy and quick. The pot delivers even heat distribution for reliable cooking results. This pot is made of durable aluminum resistant to high heat and can be used on both gas and electric stove. Made of durable aluminum resistant to high heat. Non-stick cooking surface distributes heat evenly and quickly. Let's watch more. Our fourth pick is Siret Saucepan Cooking Pot. This sauce pot is coated with an eco-friendly non-stick coating that is durable and scratch-resistant, ensuring non-sticking while significantly improving the scratch resistance of the coating. Reduce the volatilization of oil smoke. You can make a healthier diet with less fat with this non-stick saucepan. This non-stick saucepan equipped with an ergonomic handle is comfortable to grip and stays cool while cooking. And the heat-resistant glass lid of the saucepan shows the food directly and helps to better control the cooking process. The soup pot's body is made of lightweight aluminum and the stainless steel anti-deformation bottom can be quickly and evenly heated on any stove. perfect for liquid foods such as water, soup, milk, and sauce, as well as grains, pasta, egg, rice, and vegetables. It can be used as a frying pan, saucepan, and sauté pan. The bottom of the saucepan set of two is flat and thick, which is durable. This small pot with an induction bottom works on all stovetops, gas, electric, halogen, ceramic, induction, etc., perfect for cooking or reheating vegetables, sauces, pasta, or soup. This cooking pot is very easy to clean. After the pot is cooled, just rinse it with water and wipe it is done. For details, let's watch more. Last in this list is Tefal 3-quart pot. The Tefal Specialty Non-Stick Covered Saucepan offers a roomy 3-quart capacity. Use it for anything from making sauces to boiling or steaming vegetables or cooking grains and pasta. The cookware's durable aluminum construction heats quickly and evenly, distributing heat equally from the center of the even heat base out to the edges for thoroughly cooked food. The pot's ergonomically designed stay-cool handle provides a comfortable and secure grip, while its tempered glass lid traps in heat and moisture and makes for easy monitoring. Dishwasher safe, the non-stick cookware cleans up in a flash and looks great in any kitchen thanks to its sleek black exterior. Enjoy cooking a wide range of favorites with the Tefal Specialty Non-Stick 3-quart covered saucepan. Durable aluminum construction, even heat base for fast, even heat distribution. The Tefal Specialty Non-Stick 3-quart handy pot saucepan is a welcome addition to any kitchen. This pot is non-stick inside and out for easy cleanup. A glass lid is included for convenient monitoring of the cooking process. The handle is ergonomically designed for a comfortable and secure grip. The even heat base provides great heat distribution.